John here, Real Hard Reviews, CES Day 2 of 2020. Today we are with the Origin team, and we've got Kevin, the CEO, and he's going to tell us about everything Origin. Hey, Kevin.
All right, thanks a lot. Thanks for having me. So yeah, CES 2020, we're showing off a lot of new products. Behind me right here, we actually have our Millenniums. So these aren't new products, but we're showing off the fact that our Millennium chassis is the only chassis in the world with variable mounting. That means you can mount the motherboard 4 different ways. So any which way you want your motherboard, any which way you want your builds, we can do anything you want. So that's the Millennium wall behind me. We're going to walk over to our EVOs next.
Perfect.
So we have our EVOs 16S and EVOs 17S. We're right over here. These are our thin and light laptops, and these laptops are coming soon with iQ. So we're showing off the Corsair iQ integration. That's their extremely powerful software. You can control all of your lighting on your PC and your peripherals.
What's your warranty like on your laptops?
The warranty on the laptops is 1 to 3 years, and all of our products come with 24/7 lifetime support.
And these are both currently released?
Yeah, these are both currently released, but iQ is coming soon on them. That was the big announcement we made just recently. And then the star of the show for Origin PC is our Big O 2020 edition. So the Big O 2020 edition is a top-of-the-line, liquid-cooled, fully custom PC of choice on the left-hand side. And the right-hand side is an integrated, liquid-cooled console of your choice, PS4 or Xbox. It's utilizing the Corsair 280X dual-chamber chassis. It's the smallest Big O we've ever built. Also has an optional integrated Elgato 4K 60 Pro capture card, so your console streaming and or recording. So we're calling it the ultimate entertainment and content creation machine.
Again, you got to ask, what's the warranty on this device?
So the warranty for the Big O is 1 to 2 years, optional.
Perfect. So you can actually get more of a warranty than you could if you bought an Xbox or a PlayStation on its own.
I'm not actually sure what a Xbox. Yeah. So if that's only 1 year, then you're actually getting 2 years with us. Yep.
That's very cool.
So we have the PS4 edition here. Next to it, we have the Xbox edition. It's showing blue and green just to kind of show you PS4 and Xbox, but it actually has Corsair iQ. So these lights at the front could be any color that you want.
Perfect. All right, and that's everything we got from Origin at CES 2020, right?
Yeah, we also are showing off our CryoCore motherboard mount. So that's an acrylic mount distribution block, and you could use that to mount any motherboard you want, your motherboard of choice, and it routes your liquid for your CPU, your GPU, and your radiators.
Perfect. What's the price point on that?
That comes with our Genesis system.
Okay.
So the Genesis has a starting at price of around $1,700 and customize it from there. Okay. So to add the CryoCore block, I think is around $300. I'm not sure.
So you're still under $2,000 around $2,000.
Depending on how you configure it, but most people configure the Genesis pretty high end.
Okay, it still seems very reasonable.
Yeah, for a totally custom liquid cooling block like that with hardline liquid cooling, Hydro X GPU blocks. I mean, you're talking about an extremely detailed, labor-intensive liquid cooling system. It's like a work of art. Previously, only do-it-yourselfers would do something like this, but we're a company that's offering you that type of detail and customization.
Very cool, very cool. Well, thank you so much for everything, and hope you have a wonderful CES 2020.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
Thanks.